Angiphindze sesikhathi namukele ku-Ace the Coach ku-podcast show nje basathi ukuthi nje sibonile ke amaqembu lamanyende adlala nje international break nje basathi ukuthi iFIFA kunemidlalo eminyende khona labanye bahlukela indzaba inzebe lapha nje kuyo umdlalo loba ukhona nje maduzane ukhumbuse nje amaqembu lamanyende sangenile lapha nje ku-World Cup ngazamanye safuna indzawo especially ama-playoffs sibonile ke ne-Italy ihlulekile futhi 3 years in a row sibangene lapha nje kuyo iFIFA World Cup into beyibanjwele for the first time ihosta amaqembu noma nje emave lamathathu USA iCanada neMexico kanti sibonile ke bafana badlala imidlalo emibili ukuthi nje badungiselela sibona ukuthi nje iqembu selunge kangakanani ukuthi longena lapha nje kuyo iWorld Cup nje basathi ukuthi nje amaqembu lamanyende sangenile aqalile ke adilungiselela sibonile futhi neGhana nayo futhi after idlale 4 games in a row badilungiselela babese baxoxa coach wabo after badliwa lapha nje nga2-1 badliwa iqembu leSevilla laseGermany kanzi ke siyabona ukuthi bafana ekenda kahle imidlalo yabo lemibili against iqembu leSevilla lasePanama badlala khona la ekhaya bahosta lapha nje imidlalo oqala badlala idraw 1-1 yesibili badliwa lapha nje ku-sold out nga2-1 lapha nje eCape Town emva kokuthi nje sibone licembu sile struggleisha lapha embili bakhala ke balandzele banyendi ngelicembu lapha nje kakhulukati Lal Foster nje basimbona ngoWela namahopa lapha embili kepha nje bakhala ukuthi umdlalo welicembu leSundowns Rhinos usefomile lekhulu lapha kubafana especially musabuka iratio yakhe compare to Lal Foster kanye futhi nemidlalo lapha amahopa unamagoli amanyendi musabuka lema minutes awathola bafana also Foster kubethwe iPremiership ulapha ku top 2 libadlali bashaya amagoli kepha nje akekho bafana senamuhla ke sibesibuka lecembu lebafana kusibonakele kuphi after badliwe umdlalo wabo nga2-1 badlala futhi draw ya 1-1 sinami siphike la lophinza futhi abemhlatiyisa sibona ke uyalenzelela ibhola nyawo uphinza futhi abekhona lapha nje eKasi FM siphinze futhi Steven Amovic naye lomunye ke unil phezulu yakhe Chilwane page aphinze futhi abekhona nakuyo imisakazo leminyende aphinze futhi atholakale lapha masibona amadlala ama games abe futhi photographer sibesiva naye futhi akhuluma ukuthi utholakala kuphi kanye futhi naMSP athola achaza naye ukuthi utholakala kuphi ase ngisesikhathi ngibekele namukele nobabili sibonile ke esingena kuyo vele isashisa abalandzeli bakhala ngelicembu bafana siqale sibuke umdlalo oqala badlala idraw ya 1-1 sibona umdlali mahopa uyalithola lithuba bona Lal Foster kepha nje amagoli selokude Movic konakele iphile umdlalo oqala siqale umdlalo wedraw ya 1-1 South Africa izelenzele emuva ukuze kuthi ibuye egamini negame isithuba lenzele emuva ukuze babuye egamini bagcine badliwe kepha siqale ngeligame yokuqala yedraw ya 1-1
Coach Ace ngubingelele kanye nebabukeli bakho ngokubona kwami there's nothing lesingasho sithi maybe imoshekile or something mara esikhathini lesinyindi vele into lesikhala ngayo look at from EPSL you look at ama top goal scorers from the previous years we're suffering we don't have a lethal striker singathembela kuye yabona so you look at abadlali laba most of the time baba ama top goal scorers kuba abadlali bangaphandle kwase South Africa so which brings the question ukuthi ngintiphi leto striker kumele sithembele kude as a nation yabona so which is something that difficult ukuthi uyithole you see as balandzeli bebhola there's a lot lesingayibuka yet mahopa he's good we are connected position you look at Foster now he's good but he doesn't have the scoring boots so there's a Rhinos very good player very speedy but the question is why is it not being called so there's a lot longabuka lesingayibuka not looking only at strikers we have attacking midfielders who are also a part of the scoring goals are they scoring the goals now so yabona so kunye lesingakubuka is but overall it was not a bad game you look at team iPanama I think Bashia maybe if I'm not mistaken I think it's 14 points when it comes to Uma stats I think they are if not 30 something they are 30 something Uma rankings
they're 30 above us
they are above us so you look at the performance labafana bayilethile it shows a very improved performance mau compare the previous years the ways dlala ngakhona nanyalo the ways dlala ngakhona so kuyakhombisa no the future is still bright
Miss Phil iqembu labafana already besenelithuba ukuthi bayifunze iPanama because badlale nabo igame yokuqala la ekhaya so igame yespeed bafuna ukuthi coach aphinze abone ukuthi hayi man sambe kabi la ufuna silungisela especially naye coach ufuneka ende show ukuthi rotate abadlali because already iqembu lakhe lati silibonile elisebenzisa isikhathi esinyindi nebadlali abanyengi labasha abakhethile kepha abaka tholakala ithuba soludlala udlalisa ama player manje umusa buka le game yokuqala neyisi2 so udlalisa ama player manje kunibadlali abaningi labakhethile labanganiki game time nelokho khona ukuthi sibone ukuthi yini esikayilizela embili ku World Cup because ifuna aba rotate khipha nje 2 games in a row ucishe almost the same team because uthi lapha nalapha ngikuphi mhlawumbe lokubonile lokudlisa bafana elemidlalo emibili because iyafana ukuthi ilose because siya hosta igame icaza le 1-1 igame yes2 sadliwa ngathubani.
Thanks Ace ngubingelela ngiphinze ngibingelele nebabukeli bakho siyabona lapha ke licembu lebafana intolo njengoba ke lihlule licembu layo lapha ke iPanama ngemagoli amabili lelilodwa. Into ke lengahambi kahle lapha ke Ace yebo ushilo umceceshi wendile inguquko lapha nalapha party squad balance nayo lapha ke clinically finishing kufaka phakathi nayo lapha ke defensive mistakes ngiloko ke lokwende ukuthi ke licembu lebafana itolo ligcine lingakaphumeleli lidlwe lapha ke licembu lePanama looking at Mbokazi what a good goal mfana lokugijima lapha ke Chicago Fire nguyeke longathi ke uwehlise ke mimoya kwabaka idraw ya 1-1 ke lapha ke iCape Town Stadium lapho ke bedlala ku sold out khona kufuna ngabe abakaluzi udlala uluza njani ku stadium lesi ku sold out Ace balanzeli they are over you guys bayan support abaphume ngetingane but then team balancing lapha ke njengoba sengishilo kukhetha kwebadlali ngoke lokubese ke kuba inkinga makufike kuye lapha ke national team neke lapha ke clinical finishing utambona lapho umbonile lapha ke Laila Foster ku first game last week uhle ukuthi ke akore goal awatholile mathuba but akazange score even ayitolo uya lapha ke baze bagcine bamsubstitute khona ngithini akakhona ukuthi ke ascore ma goal meaning kabi imibuto le bakhona kubalanzeli nakithi la kuyo ke sports ukuthi ngabe ke yini amthande kangaka kulayela Foster uthi ilo une experience udlala le ku Burnley English Premier League but then le experience leyo ngabe uyayideliver na akatibude lo ukuthi okay umbitile last time bekasembomela stadium ugcine seka injalo ukuthi lo layilethile ukhona lapha njengoba soshilo ukuthi ukhona iCremogare nice ushayile ku AFCON 2 goals but then akufunakala umuntu ashaye amagoli amabili then you relax we looking for you ukuthi udeliver. It's not all about ukuthi okay base samdlala upheshe yasiyavuma usebamletha la we have more players ku PSL la ngakhona ukuthi ke avale isikhundla asakhe lapha ke yena lapha ke Laila waka Force ushilo ukuthi ke iCremogare nasigijima licendle Sundowns umdlali ke lo muhle espeed sakhe sihle kunemdlali Tsekhofase wakwamabasi abakambidi he's doing good
and we still have Lodge
he's doing good. I don't think ukuthi we gonna see Thembi Nkosi launch namanje lapha ke Movic kubafana why ngicabanga ukuthi kunethinkinga letiba khona utawukhumbula ke kusebholeni letinyawo is not all about le talent lo lethako discipline attitude harmless humanity
leyo vele
iyakhoza Movic iyakhoza
libonke bakhala
yeah uyakhoza ask yourself why ahambe ku Orlando Pirates uhambile ku Sundowns why that uhambeleni
guy
yena he can bring something asiphikisi siyavuma
but Miss P samzinga yena combination yakhe yabona combination yakhe Nazwane naMfukeng ngena something
yeah yona ingena something but then ngicabanga ukuthi coach kufuna naye ukuthi abuye emiqondweni yakhe ehlise moya nje emiqondo it's not all about ukuthi umuntu wendani wendeni
yena lo sifuneka axolise because uyakhumbula injury wafika injury and then coach wambona apostile lapha ngalimalanga ngothi nafuneka nakethi indzaba takhe yabo abamxeshelanga ukuthi anake ma personal
angeke aze abuye noma angaze axolise that's why ngithi i-attitude ibalilekile ne-discipline
but we can't suffer angeke sivumele ukuthi i-country is sufferisho because of ama personal issues between ucoach and the player because the country needs the player you know not ukuthi ucoach we are not playing this is not a team's coach
but
national team and the Lodge is one of the key figures a South African who's doing very well currently is one of the top South Africans dying out kahle
even anyalo international break badlala ama friend uKorile
exactly uyabona and uKorile wabuya futhi wa in the assist you see so it's one of the key elements
World Cup uKorile enyalo
he was very good it's whereby
Pep Guardiola wakhuluma ngayo
it's whereby atro attention
so that's where last lekha khona Ace we creating chances but we fail to score we need badlali labatokhona ukuthi badu a good finishing.
But those players are
Scoring
not being
goals.
called.
Yeah, abawabili.
Senga Reyners phela iratio yakhe emadlala abafana bafana amagoli amaningi compare to Lyle Foster na Mahope, but Mahope
Look at the goal.
I disagree with coach saying Uloganjanise because he's playing English. He brings experience. Foster.
Yeah.
I disagree with that. You can't say you are bringing experience. Meanwhile, league, you only have one goal. After 13 or 12 matches, now one goal.
And the team yako irrigation zone.
That's why we need players. Labatokhona ukuthi mangabe create ama chances. Mundu albone elipali. What a good goal. Lelethwe ngibokazi Tolo. That's a good goal. Usuke emuva Mbokazi. Because uyabona there's a lake
phambili. Goal lakhe kubonakala Stephen because before shaya udribbleile wadlulisa wathi.
You just open the space then
how many combination
how many balls Mfukeng awanikete uLodge and fail to score.
Okay, sibukekele from ya embili nyalo 2 games against Panama, the very same team. Lo wabonile ma tactics abo lo bonisa badlala kanjani and then nyalo se embili sibonile ke ukuthi coach ubashile ke umshile Lodge umshile na Reyners usemba Mahope na Lyle Foster ke embili after le game le njengani ngibalanzele banyendi elibhola nyawo kanti futhi nani kusalanise boleni nyawo yembili musabuka indlela kwenta ngakhona nyalo sambona buya Lodge sambona buya Reyners and then ke embili ubona South Africa you know only one game or ngindeka mhlambe singabanga lutho because sibodlala neMexico opening game neMexico ma host.
It won't be easy to see them, but wish is to see them. But even though City let's select out, coach has to make the call. Yeah, but technical team has to advise with you see Nyalo. We played this much of a games and you look at Lama games look at how many goals have we scored, how many goals have we conceded, because I think Loroge it's one of the things like coach in a technical team Baboy drafted down by Betaflin and look at okay guys, in this team let's now we played this how many minutes, how many goals do we scored, how many goals did we concede, how many chances did we get good is corner but we failed to score. I think it's what Leo guided the team or Leo guided the technical team. Because you know what? We still need to reshuffle or we still need to build among the strikers. Because we have players who brings the passes. We have Udoganjanis, Uzwane. It does bring the passes. Look at Mfukeng, how many passes there are. But look at the passes. But look at the passes that are creating. The chances are converted now. No one to convert. Yeah, but you bring ama set pieces. Are we good in defending ama set pieces if we don't have Mbokazi and we don't have Undaman? Si good in defend ama set pieces? No, we not.
Then Unjan Okon.
The same mistake they did yesterday Engalel Kolile la Jose. They were there, but at the back three, akekho lobekanaki lokuthi okay. Sikhona kuyidefenda ngale. Even though abonile coach uthi okay umbonile Okone ekuqaleni umfakile uqale ngaye, why not substitute alethe Ndamane is a good defender.
Okone still needs to develop and gel in with that team.
Nithe usobodlala sodlala phesheya. That's why Lyle Foster wena njalo. La good ladlala local.
That is why I say taking a player ukuthi udlala phesheya, it doesn't mean anything.
Doesn't give us anything.
It doesn't mean
it's just a name.
We look at the contribution. Yeah, because we have to look at first the script of how do we select the players? Are we selecting the players with the amount of minutes they played, how they contributed, or we selecting the players ngokuthi le player le dlala
deliver na ukuthi le player le deliver na
exactly
linako lo lesikufunako yini ecenzini lesive.
Ngine question ke lenginayo kine you2. Okay, nang coach ukhona ngizi. Msebenzi Mkhelele wendani guys because ngazi coach utendela konke ama decisions yini msebenzi Mkhelele.
Mkhelele is only there to advise. The coach makes the final decisions. Mkhelele doesn't have any chance of making the final.
Yakanawo lamandla kangako ukuthi
angadluzelela ukuthi no. Mkhelele the chance. You remember I think there was a games la. I think if I'm not mistaken it was it's Kosafa.
Yeah, Kosafa.
When Mkhelele was in charge. Look at the team, how it performs, the players that were called, then you look at this team. Do you see any different? It's huge. Do you see any tactical difference? It's huge. Yeah,
So on my thoughts lapha ke wena Ace ngicabanga ukuthi first lapha sidombona abuya iHremo ka Nice for Thembi Nkosi launch yes for Thembi Nkosi launch I am not sure another players lekufuna bawa add unless abuya xolisana nakhona makachinja umqondo wakhe lapha ke coach party then it's not all about ukuthi kufuna simphaphathe simnceke ukuthi abithe Thembi Nkosi launch this national team njengoba ngemovies ashilo I see team ledlala ku PSL ukuthi hayi noma ukhona noma ukho asidingeni even noma siya win icup nethi singangena ku top 8 si right singa qualify sibe ku top 8 we are fine ayifuneki njalo ushilo ukuthi sidlala neMexico lapha kuma first game
futhi imhlaba wonke babuke thina
that's the first game funa sibe sena kangcono we need fresh legs ma player la to deliver even though singadlala I draw not ukuthi silose can't we lose Ace
because the game le under pressure South Africa the first game against Mexico ma host a World Cup ukhumbula ukuthi into bayi repeat 2010 the first game South Africa dlala ne Mexico nanyalo wineka lokho futhi again
so uyabona ukuthi ngilasi singakhona abadlali abato khona kuthini ukuthi ke ba score amagoli doing the clinically finishing emuva sibe stick sibe balance sicine Themba Zwane akhona ukuthi naye abe namuntu latom assist phambili really Mfukeni is always there but sometimes uyamfuna ungamtholi
and then le question futhi ngicabanga abantu jabula babukeli because ngeRazer bakhala ukuthi so wabona yini badlali beChiefs kubafana because inyalo ushito ukuthi Peter Simbe Tom Khese ngithi ngoba une injury ngabe khona le squad list inemthemba nje
it's only I do believe in that and it's only the matter of time ukuthi sibone ma players Chiefs being there it's like for the past few years Chiefs has been bekuyi team le ngathini le dropile but you look at the current Chiefs they are doing good you look at the position yabo ku league it tells you ukuthi they've developed exactly so it tells you they developed there are players they just need to switch on kancane just to add the flavor kulendo labanayo current like for example uMduduzi Chabalala
namabuwe bakhala kusefominya le phesisweni bamsheleni
it's not a player lengagaranta mina
let's leave Chabalala Movic Mdu Chabalala usually bayambita be stand by vele yena vele angisho ukuthi toba khona
yena sugene nemtimba
then you have another player lengifisa ukumbona ku national team
ukuncele mara kasadlali
but you know he's on and off yabona but another player mina ngibona ngathi is sekusela kancane Mfundo yes what I've noticed kumfundo ne I don't know if a lot of people they've noticed this whenever Chiefs is playing you get Ulilepo you have Mduduzi Chabalala when they play Lilepo every time plays wild yabo and the makadlala wild there's no passes that are thola from Mdu then you put in Vilakazi
yamdikete
Mfundo Lilepo shines
even le goal etebensitho nika yena
Lilepo shines so if you get a player like that then you have Umahopa you have Urele you have Vilakazi you have Uzwane
yep
this player ulo distributor lama player between these three players imagine how dangerous our attack will be
ufake nekhasi na lodge
imagine how dangerous our attack will be
let's take Thembi Nkosi Lodge out because I don't think he will be there let's take Thembi Nkosi Lodge out
so
for me ku Kaizer Chiefs I think goalkeeper right no manje awi injury I hope uto pick up abe right
World Cup
Mdu Chabalala naye uba lapha ukhona but for Mfundo Vilakazi naye angaba right but for now FIFA will be big kuye uyoba ikhulu kuye
angithi bekufika bamcale khona la look at Yamal how old is
uqale yana 16 years
but for now I don't think ukuthi
so zemtsala mosna umtsala na
that means ourselves or our technical team or our SAFA we are delaying ourselves like in order to prepare for the future exactly look at Borashford uqale dlala England nanga
he can do good Chabalala he can do good but angeke umthathe nyalo for FIFA World Cup uThasami Vilakazi angeke umthathe nyalo uSasambi uyekufika
mina I would take a player like that
why
I would take a player like that he is good I don't want to lie mina ngamthatha ngihambe naye and make sure ukuthi he plays even those small minutes career yakhe it builds a lot and the foot you look at the impact mina ngilanda ngisho the most important thing look at the impact yalo mdlali makadlala ku-team yakhe. Then you take that experience or that play ufaka national team, you look at lama player lama, how are they going to play mabana lo muntu lo?
Mina on my own myself ngicabanga ukuthi Mdudu Shabalala right na goalkeeper. Yes, Vilakazi, he can do good, but for now, no, we don't count for Duba.
Yeah, seva ke bahlati bamba khala nje ngeqembu lebafana bafana after 2 games against Panama 1-1 and then also nga 2-1 before nje nginvalelisa mhlambe sengibuka iqembu le South Africa badliwe nyalo against Panama kuya embili before World Cup uyabona nje coach ama changes kumbe uyastika kule team yakhe usenibona wakho.
Mbono wami ngicabanga ukuthi coach utowenda ama changes lapha nalapha even though angendi abe makhulu kangaka but utowenda but lokungangijabulisa kakhulu njengoba sengishilo ukuthi ke anjinje lapha kuma strikers lapha kuma midfielder vele Foster even though angambida akamise kancane angamfaki ngimbalele lapha kuTshegofatso kwamabaso he's a good player he's scoring goals lo munye lebangamlanza kaMogelo Sibelebele what a young player we need fresh legs bantu labascora kalaba khona ukuthi ba create ama chances baphinde bakhona ku finish up I think lokho kungaletha ke licembu libe right.
Then se magama kokugcina kuphi lofuna ukubona ku improve kubafana bafana and futhi uyibona yakuphi iWorld Cup tuzana?
I think it's early to judge Ace Mawutsiyabuka, but ngokubona kwami mina ngicabanga ukuthi we still need maybe before World Cup if they can organize maybe even a one more match, you know, so that to assemble the squad very well. Because squad set is still shake, we still need to add ama strikers there. The most important ilona yethu ama strikers. I think we still need ama strikers. Bantu abatosiqedzela batoshayela umsebenzi.
Yeah, ngivile ke kusiqembu lebafana bafana likenda kahle 2 games badlale 1-1 game yokuqala baphinze futhi badle ba 2-1 lokubhlungu bokusol out eCape Town and ngivile ke bahlati bami Miss P futhi naye Movic ke manje before ngitetela utholakala kuphi?
Yeah, ngithola lapha ku Chilwane 786 News nalapha ku King Movic Snap ku Facebook, Insta ngila ngithola khona.
Miss P ku Facebook futhi ke ungaphindze ungijimisa ke lapha ke TikTok Miss P on Sports.
Kasi FM.
Kasi FM on Sunday from 1 until 2:30 every Sunday ngilapho kotathola khona temidlalo.
Une show now sorry.
Yeah man, yeah it's even breakfast ku UPFM.
Yeah, sibonge ke ukuthi licembu lebafana bafana sibonile ke kusalingene kahle iphanje sabonga abahlati bami sinabo namuhla livulaba sembe ke kusinayo into Phawula lapho kusinjeni ibone njani bafana bafana kuya imbini nokuthi yini mhlambe lelilizele inama expectations enje basesikhulumile nabo ukuthi bathini Stefanine lapho kusinjeni ibona njani bafana bafana ke impilo sibonge ke esikhaseni sibonga ukuthi every time hlaleni tune in qhubekani ke ni subscribe asembe ke ukuthi going forward sibona njinjo ecenjini bafana bafana sengithatha ngivalela kude temidlalo labe sibo khona iqembu lebafana bafana Esther Coach ego Esther Coach podcast show.